Hello coders, in this particular video I'll be showing you or I'll be guiding you on how to do mathematical calculations in MS Word. So let me open up calculator and let me show what are the drawbacks you will be facing if you are using a built-in tool calculator in MS Windows. So it is showing standard, so there are no braces in here. So from the standard section, from here three dots, if I click this particular option scientific, now as you can easily assume that if I want to write 0 4 and then add it with maybe I'll be opening up the braces and then 15 divided by 5, so while is the by maybe divided by 5 and then close the braces. So the answer will be 5 3s are 15, so the answer will be 101, I guess so. Yeah, so according to BODMAS, okay, so let me make it a change. So okay, so if I press equal to, it's 107. So what if the value is something like 104 and addition bracket operation are being performed fast. So that's the thing, is that I mean, to do calculations using these braces and something like this. On this context, I would also like to say that I'm using a touchscreen laptop, so that means that I can easily make some calculations just by touching over the screen. But that's not the scenario for most of the laptops which are not touchscreen, which is a scenario for mobile, in which the mathematical calculation is easily achievable. So I'll be opening up WinWord and show you how to do this kind of calculations in MS Word instead of using calculator. So what you need to do is that you need to press Ctrl F9 from your keyboard. It didn't work, so I need to press Ctrl Function F9 since I'm using a laptop. So equal to and then maybe 122. So bracket operations are being performed fast. So what I'll be doing is that if I say here division by, so if I say 2, so that definitely means that 2 divided by 122, and then if I say plus 3, the answer will be something like 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2, 61 plus 3 means the answer should be something like 64. So if I now press function F9 key from my keyboard, okay, normal F9, it didn't work, fine. So let me press function F9, it still didn't work, fine. Let me right click here and click on update field, it's 64. But that won't be the scenario if these are being present within braces. So as we know that BODMAS bracket operation are being performed fast. So 3 plus 2 is something 6. 122 divided by 6, that will be the answer. So if I update on field, it's 24.4. So the bottom line to this particular code is to this topic is that if you press Ctrl F9, you can do complex mathematical equations, something like this. Apart from that also, it works on 4-digit number, but I have tried it on 5-digit number and it doesn't work particularly something like that. So if I press Control Function F9 and then I need to press equal to, and if I write a particular number, maybe 8678, so it's 8678, and I want to convert it to in textual context. So I'll be giving a backslash followed by star, and then I'll be writing our text, and after clicking on this particular position, I'll be click on this particular option update field. So it's 8678. For some reason my F9 key is not working. So at first you need to press Ctrl F9 to open up the formatted string dialog box. Formatted string is something like these two curly braces is opening up, that's a formatted string, and you need to write equal to followed by the what you need to perform, and then you need to simply press F9. No, F9 is the search key. So function F9 still not working. Function F9, no, it's not working. So it does work if for due to some reason function F9 key is not working on my in my case in my laptop. So if it doesn't work in your case, what you can do is that you can keep the cursor at the end of that particular line and right click on it, and then simply select this particular option update field, and it will be converted to Word. So that's a short tip and tricks on Windows MS Word on how to do calculations and how to convert any number to any digits to word in words. Yeah, that's it. So that's all for this short video tutorial. Thank you all guys, and happy coding.